wabarakatuh. We are from Politeknik Negeri Banjarmasin on Electrical Engineering study program, and we are in first semester. My friend's name is Rizky Anshari, and I am Muhammad Hidayat. This is our English final test. Our lecturer, Mrs. Susilawati S.Pd. M.Pd. We are from group 7.
Rizky is Nizar's friend. It's been 4 years since they were in the middle school. They had never met. One morning, they meet in a park.
Hi Nizar, good morning.
Good morning, friends. Long time no see. Please sit down.
Thank you.
How are you?
I'm good. And you?
I'm good too.
What is your profession now?
I'm a college student of Politeknik Negeri Banjarmasin. And you?
I am PLN separate now.
Well, and wow, that's great.
What are you doing in here?
I'm doing my homework now.
Oh, homework. Have you finished your homework?
No, I have none. Actually, how many wire connectors?
As far I know, around 10 types.
10 times. Oh, but I still confused about this picture.
Let me see. Oh, this is twice on connector.
Twice in connector?
Yes,
Are you know about that?
yes, I know. Twice on connector are type on electrical connector. Has to be to pass for low voltage or extra low voltage connector, electrical conductor.
Oh, what is the function of the twist on connector?
Switch on cable connector can be used to close to the installation electrical equipment.
Okay. And where we can find it?
We can find it in residential, commercial, and industrial building power wiring.
Oh. How much the twist on connector per bag?
White. I saw on Tokopedia around 42,000 rupiah.
Oh, like that. Thanks for your explanation, T.
You're welcome, Nizar. I'm going to now.
Okay, see you.
Nizar hopes that he will become like him when he graduates.
So as long as I live, I love you. Will have and hold you. You look so beautiful in white. And from now to my very last breath, this day I'll cherish. You look so beautiful in white tonight.